Hello again. So I just wanted to do a little update. Of course, I've already started Engine C research, but there hasn't been much fruit there. And while doing research and monitoring the live engines, I realized that I needed some dashboard to consolidate or give me alerts on what's happening, like monitoring the pending orders and the open positions if all the engines are behaving as expected. So I did a little segue again into working on that. And what started out as a project for a simple dashboard monitoring tool, it ended up as a whole website redesign. So here you can see the old website that has been up for a couple of months now. And this is the new one. And it's pulling live data from cTrader Open API. And so while trades are going on, this will be updated as well. You can see the number of open positions, the risk involved versus the target risk, because that could change depending on slippage or the amount of capital in the accounts. What's pretty cool is it's also computing automatically some data like how long we've been in drawdown compared to the max of the live account and also comparing to the back test. And if you can see, the back test of Engine A is more than a year of being in drawdown. For Engine B, it was a couple of months, but then Engine B is also based on a shorter time period. And yeah, I really hope that I'm not in one of these periods, but if ever that's the case, at least I have something pretty to look at. And I guess that's also why it's important to build more engines to diversify the portfolio, because who knows when this will occur. So with this new dashboard, with this new equity curve on the website, you can also see the forward performance tracking here easily. There's also a dedicated page, which I'll show shortly. You can see here tabs for the Engine A backtest and for the Engine B backtest. You can also click here, which directs you to the Quant report and walk forward slices. So B5 is the parameter set used for Engine B, and you can see all the other parameters. You can see how bad slice 3 was for that. You can also see Engine A's slices. So moving over to forward performance tracking, this is the new tool which I'll be used replacing this old one. So I'll be creating new episodes whenever I do forward performance tracking. It's a bit more automated now compared to the manual stuff I was doing before. Of course, I need to upload the backtest data to this. That's why the backtest data ends around here. And whenever I do that, the playlist is embedded on this page. Of course, to the main thing that I started out with was the dashboard. Made one for family, just for fun. And I have the control room, which lists more details, which I wouldn't show publicly. But yeah, this allows us to see the open positions, the risk involved, the target reward, yeah, and how they all compare to each other. Yep, I think that's all I wanted to show. So from the old website to the new one, Engine C research will continue, and I'll make another episode once there's anything new to show. That's it for now. Catch you on the next one.